Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Avalanche is right now at the #9 position in digital currency markets. It made some all memories high of $146.22 on Nov 21/2021, while the ongoing cost is just $46.06, somewhere near 68-65% from its ATH. Has the Avax token lost its appeal? Will Avax crypto recuperate from now on? Figure out replies to every one of these and other significant questions in our Avalanche value expectation and substantially more. In view of the Avalanche cost forecast 2024, the token is expected to reach $65 before the current year's over. Avalanche is anticipated to stir things up around town mark by 2025. In light of Avax cost expectation, the coin can exchange a scope of $55.72 to $81.21 for 2025. Our Avalanche coin cost expectation for 2030 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be around $223.23, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $183.01 and $263.45 separately. The outline of Avalanche. A seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gün Sirer in September 2020, mostly putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations fundamentally to resolve the issues of sped-up decentralization and security. With this sort of hardy blockchain innovation, the Avalanche network will go about as a huge power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installments. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system, Avalanche will carry revolutionary change to fund. The Avalanche biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other cutting-edge innovations. A pivotal distinction between Avalanche blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration component. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Avalanche, the inborn potential. Without a doubt, the Avalanche blockchain has extraordinary potential and will more often than not be the most appealing digital currency, principally for its local token Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Avalanche crypto. Arising as an incredibly unique and dynamic power, Avax will be the pick in selection of dealers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured over the extreme long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of dependability implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. The digital money value forecast is dependent upon the presentation of the separate symbolics foundation, its headways, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination, Avax forecast, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide in the process. The current Avalanche cost is around $16, with a market capitalization of $5.5 and a 21.047,200. The 24-hour exchanging volume of the Avax token is $101,623, with a flowing stockpile of 329,167, 709 Avax on the lookout. Avax cryptographic money is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements and the current decentralized blockchain networks. The Avalanche conjecture is simply reliant upon digital money market development. A blast time for Avalanche drives the value conjecture to remain legitimate on this record before long. Made by Ava Labs, this coin has gone the distance, so it is essential to realize that Avalanche's cost rise is sure before very long. Nonetheless, carry out your groundwork to check your gamble resilience. Avax Value Expectation 2024. As per Avalanche cost expectation, it is assessed that the coin might exchange between the scope of $32.69 to $65.78, where $32.69 is the base exchanging cost and $65.78 is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of suspicions that the Avax coin might have a typical cost of $49 monthly. Avalanche Value Expectation 2025. The Avax token is supposed to have least and most extreme upsides of around $55.72 and $81.81 individually, according to our Avax Cost Forecast 2025, while the typical cost may be $67.97 with a rate change of around 40%. Avalanche Coin Value Forecast 2026. According to our Avax cost estimate, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $85.91, with a base and most extreme cost of $70.43 and $101.39 individually for the year 2026. The instability of the Avalanche cost is supposed to be very less, according to our Avalanche cost forecast. Avalanche Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In view of the Avalanche cost expectation, our specialists propose that the Avalanche digital money might exchange a scope of $87.94 and $126.60 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest, while the typical cost of Avalanche might be $107.27. Avax Forecast 2028. Our Avalanche cost expectation for the year 2028 proposes that the typical cost might be $135.99, while the base and greatest costs might be around $111.48 and $160.49 separately. Simultaneously, the Avalanche specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be half. Avax Coin Value Forecast 2029. According to our Avax's cost expectation, we can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a typical cost of $174.76 for the year 2029, while the least and greatest cost of the Avax token for the year might be $143.27 and $206.25 individually. Avalanche Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, our Avalanche Cost Forecast 2030 shows that the likely high of Avalanche may be around $263.45, with a possible low of $183.01. The point-by-point Avalanche cost investigation uncovers the typical cost to be somewhere near $223.13. In view of Avax cost figure, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $36.87. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be cheapened from here on out. According to the Avalanche estimate, the cost of Avax is supposed to cross the degree of $15.42. Before the year's over, Avalanche is supposed to arrive at the very least charge of $13.95. What's more, the cost of Avax is equipped for getting a greatest degree of $36.01. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $57.25 in 2024. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $68.91 with the typical cost of $59.27 all through 2024. What is the fate of Avalanche? As indicated by Avalanche cost expectation, the eventual fate of this coin is exceptionally splendid. By 2030, we anticipate that Avalanche should have crossed the $170 mark. Nonetheless, do your own exploration and don't accept this data as speculation exhortation to purchase Avax. In any case, you might peruse the Avalanche forecast and track the ascent drop in the cost before you purchase Avalanche. Is Avalanche a wise speculation? As indicated by Avax's cost expectation for the following 5 years, the cost of Avax will hit a $92.62 high, making it a wise speculation. The base cost for the year 2027 is assessed to be $64.34. Different Avalanche cost forecasts in the market favor the long haul